everyone. Today we will introduce our this product, and this is our portable blending cup, and its model number is OC 020. And the wattage is the 7.4, and the power is 80 watts. And it has two pieces of battery, and one is 1300. And you can see the charging type is the Type C, and it has the USB the interface. Yes. Now my partner will show the lid to you. Yes. Okay.
To cover, drink directly with straw after blending.
And you can see it has 304 stainless steel and 38 lathes, smooth blending and easy rinse. Yes, and it's the cordless with hand strap, great for travel, picnic, and office.
Have power for fat juice and milk shakes.
Just now I see it is the charging, the way is the Type C charging, and the capacity is 600 milliliter, and its capacity for 1 or 2 servings of homemade drinks. Okay, now my partner will demonstrate the process for you. Okay. Now open the lid and put in the tomatoes. Yes. Today we will blend the tomato juice. Yes, add the water according to your personal demand. Close the lid. Double click the button. Yes, you can see the whole blending process is end. And you can see, yes. Yes, using the portable blender cup, you can make a pretty good juice. And this is the hot sale product in this summer, our portable blender cup. Okay, bye bye.